Hi, it's HardwareSet, and today I'll show you how to change language and keyboard on INFINIX Note 60. So first go into the settings and then scroll to System. Now Languages and Input. First Languages, and here you can select the language. Also here you can change the language preferred language order. Then go into the current keyboard settings. Also here you can add a keyboard, for example here, done, and you can edit the preferred order. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.